In this video, I'm unboxing the brand new iPhone SE 2022 5G edition. Now, of course, what's very impressive about this phone is that it has the exact same chip as the entire iPhone 13 range for a fraction of the cost, which makes it a steal of a deal. Of course, right here, I just got this 64GB black edition, but nevertheless, I am super excited to open this box up and see what we get in the brand new 2022 iPhone SE 5G version. I believe this is the third iteration of the iPhone SE, and the purpose of this phone is for people who are still using an iPhone 7 or 8, or people who just like the home button and the Touch ID, and that's what this phone is for, and it has so much power inside that it's gonna blow your mind. Of course, if you are excited for this unboxing, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. But now guys, let's go ahead and peel these tabs off right here. So one tab here, I think we just like peel it this way, I believe. So grab that and we peel it just like this. Boom, pretty satisfying if you ask me. I believe one more tab down here, so let's peel that one there as well, just like that. And now, if we flip it over, it should come right out. Let's do the reveal in 3, 2, 1 for the new iPhone SE 2022, and it's upside down. What the heck? I swear it's always the other way around. But of course, take a look, guys. The iPhone SE right there. You can see that it is very, very shiny. I don't even want to touch it because my fingerprints are gonna get all over it already. But of course, there is the phone itself in all its glory. Let's just grab this out right here. So, of course, pull it up and take a look, guys. The iPhone SE 2022 5G. There's me recording this video right there. But take a look, guys. This thing is super, super shiny and glossy, of course, guys. So let's set that down right there for just a second and see what else we do get in the box, of course. We just got like the USB-C, I believe. Is it USB-C? I think it's USB-C. It should be USB-C to Lightning if I'm like not mistaken. And is it USB-C? It should be here, and yes, so it's USB-C to Lightning, and you get no brick inside it, which is quite disappointing. I do believe you still get an Apple sticker though. Let's just check. So SIM ejector, and we do have an Apple sticker there, as you guys can see. So of course, yeah, it is going to be USB-C to Lightning, which is a bit of a disappointment for some people, because of course, the main target demographic for this phone is people who are still on an iPhone 7 or 8 or the previous model iPhone SE, and those people aren't going to have a USB C adapter to charge it. So of course, that is a bit of a nuisance right there. But let's have this to the side and take a look at the device. Now, this is the first time I've seen they've got like markings on like the protective film right here to show where everything is. So of course, you got the power button right there, volume rockers right there, the notifications, and the fingerprint sensor down here, and wow. Let's take the plastic off right now. So of course, peel this plastic, super satisfying, and boom. Oh, it's like, okay, so I think it wraps around the plastic, right? Okay, I got this, there we go. So wrap that one around there, and then we pull the plastic off just like this, and take a look at that. Now when I touch it, it's gonna get very fingerprinty, so excuse the fingerprints here right now. Let's flip it over right now and take a look. The new iPhone SE 2022 5G. Of course, no lightning jack on this one, guys. As you no headphone jack. Sorry, there's a lightning jack there, no headphone jack. Now, of course, guys, also something to note is that this phone does not support MagSafe. So as you guys know, MagSafe is this great invention from Apple, and basically, if you got an iPhone 12 or higher, it just connects to the back of your phone, guys, and it's so much fun and super easy to charge things. But with this phone, guys, just keep in mind it does not have MagSafe functionality. But of course, take a look, guys. You got that camera right there. Still the old sensor, but hey, it is still pretty good. You've got like the port down there. On the side here, you've got like the power button and SIM tray there, I believe. Yep, SIM tray right there. It's not focusing. There it is. On this side, of course, you've got notifications and volume rocker. Now, I'm loving this black color so much. Of course, I was debating whether to get like the red one or the black, but I did get the black one right here, and it feels very small in my hand right there. Let's pan on right now, though, guys, and get it going. Of course, guys, I am definitely not going to be used to this screen because I'm coming basically from an iPhone 13 Pro Max. Of course, we just got like the Pro Max right here, and as you guys can see, let's take a look at this size difference. It's going to be honestly insane. Of course, guys, take a look at the size difference right there. This phone is definitely going to take a bit of getting used to. But yeah, guys, that was basically the unboxing of the new iPhone SE 2022 5G. Of course, guys, I'm also going to post comparison videos between different iPhones, so stay tuned for that. But yeah, if you enjoyed, be sure to drop a like and subscribe.